Using the Cost Analysis and Competitors tab with projects. With projects, we have a Cost Analysis tab and a Competitors tab. One gives you information about your plants relative to the project, and one gives you information about your competitors' plants relative to your project. In order to view these, you need to first navigate to the project you are working on. To do this, click on the Bids tab and look up the project you would like to work on. Remember, if you did not create the project, you need to change the salesperson name to the person who did create it. Once you find the project you'd like to view, click on it, and that will open up the project information screen. At this point, you see several tabs listed at the top. We are interested in cost analysis and competitors. First, we will view the cost analysis. Click on that tab, and you'll see a map displaying a brick wall symbolizing your project, and then several little black plants, which are your plant locations. If you click on any of the plant locations, it's going to show you the driving route from the project to the plant, along with information about that plant. If you click anywhere on the map, you will see that display window disappear. Also, the plant that you click on will be highlighted on the right. For each plant, it will display the total distance driving between the project and the plant and the estimated time Google thinks it will take to make that drive. We always recommend paying attention to the times because your truck routes or traffic might indicate that the time will take longer. You can update the travel duration to whatever time you'd like. This is for one-way trips. You can also change the average load size to whatever you'd like. If it is other than 7, it will always default to 7. As you update these, you'll see the numbers on the right change. These costs are calculated by numbers entered in by you in admin for each plant. If you'd like to use the cost analysis, you need to enter an average cost for material costs, plant costs, delivery costs, and SGA costs per each plant you have in mobile sales. Those numbers will then be used, depending on the duration and the average load size, to calculate the costs for each category if using this plant for this project. We'll also give you a total broken up by per cubic yards or deliverable total. You'll be able to view all plants within that area. The competitors tab, because we do not have the same amount of information as we do about your competitors' plants as we do about yours, you will just see a map displaying red targets, which represent your competitors, their competitor plant locations, and the same brick wall representing the project. If you click on a competitor location, you again will see the driving route between the project and that competitor plant location, as well as information about that competitor. Distance, time, and address. Again, you can click off of that and that display will disappear. You can zoom in and zoom out using the plus and minus in the bottom right hand corner of the map. You can also view the map in satellite view. However, this takes more data, so if you do not have a good reception, it might not be wise to switch to satellite view.